Every legendary console deserves a second chance.
Years of memories are hidden beneath the dust.
Every successful restoration begins with the right tools.
Now the real restoration begins. Years of neglect disappear in seconds.
Every circuit is carefully brought back to life. A cool system is a healthy system. Fresh thermal paste means better performance.
Precision brings the classics back to life. The legend is starting to shine again.
Every connection matters. Reliable power brings reliable performance.
Order creates perfection.
Every movement becomes effortless again.
Every detail counts. The heart of the console returns home. The legend begins to take shape again. A symbol of gaming history restored.
No legend is complete without its controller. Every accessory completes the experience.
The moment of truth has arrived. A legend powers on once again. The sound of childhood returns.
Ready for another adventure.
The adventure begins again.
Every button feels brand new.
From forgotten to flawless. A timeless icon deserves a place of honor. Some legends never fade. Restored with care, ready to create new memories.
Every great game deserves a great console.
The adventure begins exactly where it left off.
Every button feels just like new.
A true gaming icon shines once again.
From forgotten junk to gaming legend. Restored to perform like the day it was released. Every detail has been carefully brought back to life. A classic masterpiece deserves the spotlight.
some legends never grow old.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for the next restoration adventure.